Hello friends, welcome to Tanushri's reading room. Today I'll discuss with agreement of verb with the subject because some of my viewers have requested me. Earlier in the basic grammar lessons I have discussed a bit of it, but they wanted it to be a bit more elaborate. So I have just devoted one particular lesson today. So if I see that there are more requests from you all, then I'll discuss it in further more lessons. I'll give more examples. I'll try to explain it more elaborately. So for today, I think this is the only lesson that I am sharing with you all upon agreement of verb with the subject, and I want your feedback so that I can understand whether you want it to be more elaborate or not. So what are verbs? They are action words. Action words means the words in a sentence that explain any activity, any work, any kind of action done by the speaker or the subject in a sentence. And what is a subject? It is the most important part in a sentence, and it is the part which is talked about in a sentence. And in case of agreement of verb with the subject, we will be focusing upon the subject and the verb. They will determine whether a subject will be singular or a subject will be plural, and correspondingly the verb will be singular or plural. Now look at a few examples. I have jotted down very simple examples. I have tried to keep them as easy as possible so that it appears more interesting to you. So the first example goes, the quality of these apples is bad from the ones I had bought last week. So friends, see the word quality. I have marked it in red. So here in this sentence, apples is not the subject, quality is the subject. And as I have already discussed in my earlier lessons, is a component of be verb. Be verb, I'm again recapitulating: am, is, was, are, were. These are the 5 components of be verb, and the quality of these apples, quality which is not countable. It is a quality. It is an aspect. It is a characteristic of those apples. Apples, if you look at the word apples, that is plural in number, but the word quality is singular. Next comes the second example. Balls are rolling across the floor. Now balls. Visibly, it is very clear that balls are countable, and so the verb are, which is again a component of be verb, is plural. Rima doesn't like veggies. Rima, it is totally clear that Rima is the name of a person, and it is singular in number, one person. So the verb becomes singular. Clouds are covering the sky. Clouds. The clouds that I am talking about in this sentence can be seen floating. They can be counted. So the verb that is being used is are. Component of be verb: am, is, was, are, were. 5 components of be verb: am, is, was, are, were. Either my brother or my sister is coming to the party. Either is again suggesting my brother or my sister. Both of them are not coming. So the verb that is being used is singular. Again a component of be verb: am, is, was, are, were. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. If you want it to be more elaborate, if you want me to devote more lessons on this particular aspect of grammar, please do share with me. I'm always ready to help you all. So are you practicing my previous lessons? Are you taking a look at my newer lessons? So friends, please share your valuable comments, suggestions with me. Please tell me what all more areas you want me to discuss, what all areas you might have forgotten, what all areas that were very easy and very you can say which were very easy to you in your childhood years, and you have forgotten it right now, and you wanted to recapitulate in short pithy sentences, and you don't want to go through a book due to shortage of time or due to shortage of interest. Please do share with me. I'm going to prepare that particular area and share with you all. So friends, please practice my lessons every day. Devote a couple of minutes, and I'm sure it's going to help you a lot. And please like my videos, share them, comment upon them, and the most important thing, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tanushree Reading Room. Okay, so take care, stay happy, be positive always, and stay tuned till I come back with something new. Bye bye.